According to the National Kidney Foundation, healthy kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood every day, producing around 2 liters of urine. An average healthy person has around 5 liters of blood, which means all the blood in the body passes through the kidneys about 40 times a day. That also makes them more vulnerable to any toxins, chemicals, or free radicals that might be present in the blood. And kidneys don't just filter blood. They also help regulate your blood pressure, your body's pH level, and your body's electrolyte level. They also produce various hormones, including the ones that regulate the production of red blood cells and ones that activate vitamin D. Vitamin D itself is crucial for your overall health as it supports the function of your immune system, helps your body build bones, aids in blood pressure regulation, mood regulation, and may even reduce your risk of developing many chronic diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and many types of cancers. So imagine how important kidneys are for your overall health and well-being. Unfortunately, there are many common things in modern lifestyle that can seriously damage those tireless organs. One of these things is sodium. Sodium isn't just present in table salt, it's also present in many canned and processed foods, like canned beans, canned meat, sauces, ketchups, pickles, canned vegetables, salad dressings, salted potato chips, snacks, and nuts, processed cheese, processed meats, and even breads and many breakfast cereals. The CDC, World Health Organization, and American Heart Association recommend keeping sodium intake to no more than 2.3 grams per day. But unfortunately, it has been estimated that most people are consuming much more than that. In fact, the FDA, CDC, and American Heart Association agree that an average American consumes more than 3.4 grams of sodium in various forms every day. Plus, the recommended 2.3 grams of sodium salts is for most healthy adults. People with certain health conditions, like heart disease and chronic kidney disease, might need to lower their intake much further. Now, sodium triggers our body and our kidneys to retain more water in the blood, effectively increasing overall blood volume, which directly contributes to blood pressure. Some emerging research even suggests that a high sodium salt intake increases the amount of protein in the urine, which is a major risk factor for chronic kidney disease, and it can get even worse if your kidney function is already degraded. Another significant part of our modern diets is sugar. Table sugar is just a tiny part of it, and we get sugar in many forms and from many natural foods and commercial products. These things include fruits, starchy vegetables like potatoes, candies, cookies, donuts, desserts, and above all, sugary drinks like sports drinks, energy drinks, soft drinks, sodas, and many commercial fruit juices. Another thing that's not exactly sugar, but directly contributes to our blood sugar is refined carbs, an integral component of most commercially available breakfast cereals, breads, burgers, and pizzas. The American Heart Association recommends taking no more than 100 calories per day from sugars for most healthy women, and no more than 150 calories per day for most healthy men. This is roughly equivalent to just around 6 teaspoons for women and 9 teaspoons for men. And did you know how much an average American consumes? It has been estimated that an average American kid, teenager, and adult consumes about 17 teaspoons of added sugar every day. Besides these salty and sugary foods, there are certain other things that indirectly contribute to the development of many chronic diseases, including kidney disease. These things include fatty foods that contain plenty of unhealthy fats, processed meats like bacon and deli meats, alcoholic drinks, smoking, and dehydration. Certain health conditions like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and even liver cirrhosis can contribute to the development of kidney disease. Another important thing to understand is that kidney disease often progresses silently, and symptoms of kidney disease don't show up until later stages when significant damage has already been done to the kidneys. So, if you want to keep them working at their best, let's learn about a special drink that might help you do just that. This drink, has just 4 ingredients that might already be present on your kitchen shelf or in your refrigerator. One of these ingredients is apple cider vinegar. ACV has been shown to prevent the formation of kidney stones due to its acidic effects. It has also been found to have protective effects against kidney damage. In fact, according to a 2020 study, apple cider vinegar can effectively reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys and improve kidney function markers, including urea and creatinine. The second ingredient in our drink is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has been shown to help prevent urinary tract infections. It contains PAX, which are compounds that have an anti-adhesive effect on the urinary tract. In other words, these compounds prevent infection-causing bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract and causing trouble in the first place. The third ingredient in our drink is lemon juice. Lemon juice is well known for its rich vitamin C and citric acid content. Citric acid has been shown to help prevent the formation of calcium-based kidney stones, which are the most common kind of kidney stones. As for vitamin C, it can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, which might even help them recover to some extent. The fourth ingredient in our drink is honey. It won't just add taste to the drink, but can also help repair kidneys from injury or damage. In fact, a 2023 study concluded that honey can be effective in preventing drug-induced damage to the kidneys and reducing inflammation in them. Now let's move on to the recipe. It's important to understand that many commercially available cranberry juice varieties aren't 100% natural and contain added sugar and preservatives, so be sure to check the product label. Make sure that the cranberry juice is natural, pure, and free from added sugar. Even better, make cranberry juice yourself. To prepare a half cup of cranberry juice, you'll need about a half cup of fresh or frozen cranberries and a quarter cup of water. Rinse the cranberries thoroughly under running water. In a saucepan, combine the cranberries and water. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Reduce the heat to low and let the cranberries simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they have softened and burst. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the cranberry mixture cool slightly. Pour the mixture into a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any solids. Press the cranberry pulp with the back of a spoon to extract as much juice as possible. Discard the solids and transfer the juice to a container. The juice is ready. You can refrigerate the cranberry juice for up to 1 week, so you can make enough cranberry juice for a week and use it for the drink we're talking about. Now, back to the recipe. Take 1 large cup and fill it with a half cup of water and a half cup of unsweetened cranberry juice. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to it, and then squeeze in the juice of a half lemon, and then add a tablespoon of honey. Your kidney-friendly drink is ready. It's best to drink it in the morning and drink it slowly to savor the flavors and give your body time to absorb the nutrients. But remember that despite having the potential to address many kidney-related issues, the drink we've just learned about is not the alternative to any medications or treatment you might be having for kidney disease. Plus, if you do have kidney disease, be sure to ask your doctor before making this drink a regular part of your diet. This is to ensure that it's safe for you and that any ingredient in it doesn't interfere with your treatment or doesn't interact with any medications you might be taking. Here are some additional tips to help keep your kidneys working at their best. Number 1. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit sodium, processed foods, and sugary drinks as they can increase blood pressure and strain the kidneys. Number 2. Engage in regular physical activity to help maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Number 3. Maintain a healthy weight through a combination of diet and exercise to reduce the risk of developing kidney disease. Number 4. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption, as these habits can increase the risk of kidney disease and other health issues. Number 5. Manage high blood pressure and diabetes through lifestyle changes and medications, as these conditions can damage the kidneys over time. Number 6. Practice good hygiene, drink plenty of water, and empty your bladder completely to reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, which can lead to kidney infections. Number 7. Symptoms of kidney disease may include fatigue, swelling, changes in urination, and blood in the urine. If you experience any of these symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. Number 8. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor kidney function and address any potential issues early. By following these tips and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can help keep your kidneys functioning at their best and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.